Alright, boys and girls, I got a little bit interrupted, so we're going to try this again. So we are doing number 10 for boot camp. What number? 10. What number? 10. What number? 10. How do I write 10? A 1 and a 0 for 10. So if you can make a 1 and you can make a 0, then you can write the number 10. Alright, so we are going to look for all the ways and all the things that show 10. I'm going to start with my number words. So I have some number words here on this side. I'm looking for the one that says 10. 10. So which one do you think I need to look for if it starts like 10? What letter do you think I need to look for? T makes the sound. So I know it's not this one because that starts with an E for 11. And I know it's not this one because that also starts with an E for 11th. So I'm going to look at these. I have 10 and 10th. So 10 is my number word, T-E-N, 10. And then 10th is my ordinal number word, which means you're in 10th place, or number 10 in line. 10th in line, then you're number 10. So both of those match, so I'm going to move it in. Let's start over here with my dots. I'm going to count them and see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow on the bottom. So I have 5 and 5. And if you remember from yesterday, we had some 5s and 5s that made 10. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does it make 10? Yes. So do I want it? Yes. So I'm going to move it into my 10 frame. And then I'm going to write 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's one way to make 10. We actually called that a doubles combination. Can you say that big word with me? Doubles combination. And that just means it's the same number on both sides of the plus sign. It's a doubles number. We used 5 for 5 2 times. Okay? Alright, let's try our 10 frame here. Oh, look, it's a 10 frame, and it's full, so that means there's how many? 10. I shouldn't even need to count it, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you really shouldn't need to count that, because if you know it's a 10 frame and it's full, then it will have 10. So I have all 10 plus 0 more still equals 10. So let's look at the next 10 frame and see. Oh, boys and girls, look. I don't have just one 10 frame. I have one 10 frame here, but look at the bottom. I have another 10 frame. So I have more than 10. I have 10 and one more. 10, 11. So do I want that one? No, that's too many. So I'm going to put that down at the bottom. That's too many. Too many. All right, let's check our hands. Look, you've got both hands up. It's all your fingers. I have 5 on each. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 5 and 5, does that make 10? It does. We found that out over here with our yellow and red dot. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I do have 10. What should I do with it? I should put it in my 10 frame. So all your hands, both your hands make 10. And that's another 5 plus 5 equals 10. Alright, ooh, this is a tricky one. Let's check it. I have right here this whole tower that I just highlighted is 10, and then I have 1 left over. So that's 10 plus 1 left over. Is that going to be 10? No, that's going to equal 11, so it's too many. I don't want that one. We're going to have to put it down at the bottom. Bye-bye. All right, let's check my domino. I have 4 on top, and let's count and see how many I have on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do we want that one? It's 11. No, we don't. That's too many. I needed 7 and 3. 7 and 4 is too much. So, I lost my, there we go. I tried to get the hand and I got the internet. Alright, it's too much, so I'm going to put it at the bottom. We don't want that one. Let's try this domino since that domino didn't work. Alright, let's see how many we have at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the top. 9, 10. 2 at the bottom. 8, 9, 10. Do we want that one? Yes, we do want that one. 8 at the top, 2 at the bottom. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. We're going to add it to our circle chart. And this time I have 8 at the top plus 2 at the bottom to equal 10. So I have 5 and 5 makes 10. 10 and 0 makes 10. 5 and 5 again. And now 8 and 2. Alright, let's check our other dots over here. We've already got some red and yellow dots, so I'm going to guess probably not, but let's count and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do we want that? No, that's too many, so what do I need to do with it? I'm going to put it at the bottom. I'm starting to lose space, so I'll put it over here. Alright, let's see about our stars. Let's bring both of our stars over. Which group has only 10? It's kind of hard to tell to look at it. So I'm going to use the counting strategy where I count and check, where I cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, that has 11. I don't want that one, so I'm going to go ahead and move it down because I don't want that one. And now let me check this one. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Get my marker so I can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that looks like what I want. That looks like what I want. I want 10. And now that I look at it, I could see it as 8 on the top and 2 on the bottom. Or another way that I saw it was, 6 on the left and 4 on the right. Alright, so this does make 10, so I'm going to move it in. And I'm going to do it as 6 on the left and 4 on the right. So 6 on the left and 4 on the right. So 6 plus 4 equals 10 because we don't have that one yet. Alright, tally marks. Let's see if we can figure out which one has just 10. Do you think it's the one on the left, right here? Or do you think it's the one on the right here? Which one has only 10? If you said the one on the left, you're right. And the way I knew is it already has diagonal line right here. So I know that's 5. And another diagonal line is another 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. You could even count by 5s. 5, 10. You don't even have to count all of them because we already know there's 5 plus 5 there. And we see on our circle map that 5 plus 5 makes 10. All right, so I'm going to move it in. Oop, it's still a little big, so let me move it in. And I'm going to write 5 plus 5 equals 10. All right, boys and girls, what number did we do today? What number? 10. What number? 10. What number? 10. How do I write 10? Big line down for a 1. Big curve, close it up for a 0 for 10. A 1 and a 0. What number? 10. What number? 10. What number? 10. How do I write 10? A 1 and a 0. All right, let's look quickly at some of the ways we made 10. What were some of the combinations or the numbers that we used to make 10? Well, if we look at the red and yellow dots, we used 5 plus 5 to make 10. What did we do with the green 10 frame? We had 10, so we didn't need any more, so 10 plus 0 equals 10. Then I had another 5 plus 5 with our hands. Look at the dominoes where I wrote it in green. There were 8 on the top plus 2 on the bottom to equal 10. What about the stars? How did I do 10 that way? I had 6 on the left plus 4 on the right to equal 10. And then I finished again with another 5 plus 5 equals 10. So these are some of the ways you can make 10. All right, boys and girls, good job.